Hi, Brian.albrich here, retirement mortgage specialist at Fairway Home Mortgage. I get asked all the time by my reverse mortgage borrowers, what is a HECM? Because on their paperwork it says HECM everywhere when they're getting a reverse mortgage. And for whatever reason, FHA decided to call their reverse mortgages HECMs years ago. But nobody knows that name. But what it stands for is home equity conversion mortgage. What you're really doing with the reverse is converting some of the equity into a usable line of credit to either pay off debt or be used as an income stream as part of the reverse mortgage. So, as a reminder, these are for folks that are 62 and older. Only one person in the household needs to be 62 or older. The other spouse can be younger than that or younger partner. It doesn't have to be a spouse, and that is something that has actually been um, fixed over the years. These are federally insured loan program launched in 1989. And in 1989, they're kind of shooting from the hip, trying to help some people stay in their homes longer and so forth. And it's evolved over the years. And one of the things that needed evolving was to make sure that if there's a spouse or partner in the house that's under 62, they don't have to be removed from title, which used to be the case. And as you might imagine, that was problematic for the remaining spouse if the older spouse who was on the reverse mortgage passed away. So, because it's FHA and because we've had decades now of this loan program, they're continually refining to try to strengthen the loan program, both for FHA and for the borrowers themselves. So that's something that's been fixed, but there are other things that get tweaked from time to time because Congress oversees it, and they have to, and then FHA has to work with Congress to make sure this is a sustainable loan product, which it is. It's in great shape right now, according to the federal government, and it's actually the most used reverse mortgage. Available in the United States. If I had to guess, it's probably over 95% of people that do get a reverse get the HECM. So next time you hear somebody mention HECM and we're wondering what the heck is a HECM, it's just a reverse mortgage.